So this problem says to find dy dx. So we're going to do implicit differentiation and take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So the derivative of sine x is cosine x with respect to x, so they agree. And over here on this side, we've got this times this. And I'm going to treat it as a product that way. You could distribute and then go about it that way too, but I'm going to do product rule. So first times the derivative of the second, the derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of tangent y is secant squared y dy dx plus second, times the derivative of the x. Let's see, so there's no reason to have these parentheses anymore. This could just be seen as plus 1 plus tangent y. So I can move both of these terms over to the left with the other non-dy dx terms. And this is x times secant squared y. I don't need parentheses. Now I've got the dy dx term on the right, so we can just divide both sides by that x secant squared y, and that would be our answer, this divided by x secant squared y. Okay, here's another implicit differentiation problem. It says to find dy dx. It also wants us to evaluate it at a certain point, but I'm just going to practice implicit differentiation. So on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side, I have a chain rule problem because I've got a quantity raised to the third power. So we'll do 3 times that quantity to the 1 less power times the derivative of this. So the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of y is 1, dy dx. On the right-hand side, the derivative of x cubed plus the derivative of y cubed, dy dx. Let's see. I believe, I'm going to go ahead and subtract this over to the other side. And I guess I'm going to have to distribute this product times 1 and then that times dy dx. Now we can go ahead and take this to the other side. And as I do that, I'm going to go ahead and factor dy dx out of this term. And then the last thing to do would be to divide both sides by this quantity. So I could probably go a little further on this, and you can ask me Thursday, do you want me to go further? And I'll tell you yes or no. So if I were to go a little further, I would go ahead and FOIL this out and distribute the negative 3. I would FOIL this out, distribute the 3, and then hopefully there would be some like terms that I could combine. But that's as far as I'm going to go here.